Welcome to today's episode of Learning Chords. Last week we looked at the major 7th chord, and today we're going to break down the minor 7th and how you can get a jazz sound from only those two chords. Let's get started. A minor 7th chord is a minor triad with an added minor 7th interval on top. To find a minor 7th interval, go up an octave from your root note and then down a whole step. Here's a D minor triad. Start on the root note D, go up one octave, and then down a whole step to the note C. D up to C is a minor 7th interval. Add the note C to a D minor triad and you have a minor 7th chord. A minor 7th chord functions the exact same way as a minor triad, it merely has an added note for coloration. So any progressions with a minor triad, you can substitute a minor 7th chord. Here are the chords in F major. You can substitute a minor 7th chord for any of those minor triads. Here's an example progression with only triads. Here it is again with minor 7th chords added. On top of that, if we add in some major 7th chords, the two chords work with each other to get a lovely, relaxed jazz sound. Here's the progression again, but this time with an added F major 7 and B flat major 7. And that's it. These two chords are a fantastic way to introduce jazz elements to a progression and add some coloration. I hope this video helped you in your writing process. Thank you for watching.